Class 9th Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our topic is comparing quantities and that is the part 1. So let us your chapter 7 will be start. So let us see what is in your chapter. So first that one is example. The price of a shirt is 300 rupees and the shopkeeper is selling it at a discount of 20%. Find out the discount amount and the selling price. So how can find this one? So first one is this is given as a cost price. So you can write here cost price. It is given as rupees 300. Okay, the discount is given as, so you can say it is discount. Discount is given as 20%. So what discount? So you can calculate first discount. So discount is 20% of which one? It is 300. So you can say it is 20 into 20 upon 100 into 300. So 0 will be cancelled out and this 0 will be cancelled out. So we get it is the 3 to the 6, 60 rupees. It is the discount. So after discount, what is the selling price? So you can say the selling price. That means the selling price is selling price. That is cost price minus discount. So selling price in short it is said to be SP. CP is given as rupees 300. So you have to write 300 and discount is 60 rupees. So it is the 60 rupees. So after subtracting you can subtract here 300 minus 60. So that one is 0 and here is 10, 10 minus 6 that is the 4 and here is 2. So rupees it is the rupees 240. So you can say the selling price is discount. So answer is discount is equal to rupees 60 and selling price is equal to rupees 240. So that one is your answer. So you can do very well. It's your first example. Now let us see what will be in your second example. A book was sold rupees 45 after a discount 10%. What was the mark price? So mark price, let mark price, it is in the short, it is said to be MP. Mark price be rupees X. Now what will be discount? So you can say discount is given as 10%. So you can say 10% of X. So 10% that means 10 upon 100 and into X. So 0 will be cancelled out to this 0. So we get X upon 10 rupees. Okay. So discount. Now find the selling price. It is the selling price. What will be selling price? That is the mark price minus discount. Selling price is given as rupees 45. It is given as selling price. SP is given as rupees 45. So you have to write here 45 and here is mark price is X and discount is given as X by 10. So taking their LCM, that is the 10 and here is 10X minus X and here is 45. So what will be happen in this? It is 45 is equal to, it is 9X upon 10. Now x will be equal to 4 5 into 10 and divided by 9. इस 10 को इधर भेजेंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा और ये 9 डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. सो 9 1 जा 9 and 9 5 जा 45. So x will be equal to 50. So you can say it is the selling price. So it is not selling price, it is the mark price. So you have to write mark price is equal to rupees 50. So that is your answer. So you can do very well. It is the discount and mark price and selling price. Question number 1, a sari with the mark price. So it is given as mark price, that is in short it is MP of rupees, it is 800. Is sold at a discount of 15%. So you can say discount. Discount is given as how much? It is the 15% of mark price पे होता है डिस्काउंट, हमेशा ध्यान रखना. 15% of rupees 800. So it is the 15 upon 100 and into 800. So 0 will be cancelled out and this 0 will be also cancelled out. So 15 8 ja 90. No. So once again, so what will be happen? Multiply to this one. So what will be happen? 8 5 ja 40 and 8 1 ja 8 and 4, that is the 12. It is 120. So discount is rupees 120. So what will be happen now? Find out the selling price. Now selling price. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Mark price is given as rupees 800 and discount is 120. So we get rupees, you can subtract it, 800 and minus 120. So what will be happen? 0 and here is 8. Here is 7 and minus 1, that is the 6. So rupees 680. So that one is your answer. I think it's a very simple. It is the selling price. So in the short you can say it is SP. Selling price, that is the SP. Discount you can say in the short form it is D only. So let us see what will be happen in your next. So during the sale a shop gives a discount of 15% on the mark price of all the goods being sold. What would be a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans and a shirt with mark price is this one. It is the mark price 1750 and the 650 rupees respectively. So first of all total SP निकालना है इसका हमें. So first of all mark price. What is the mark price? It is the 1750 and plus it is the 650. So you can calculate it. 0 and 0 0, 5 and 5 10, that is the 0, carry 1, 6 and 7 13 and 1, that is the 14 and it is 2. That means it is 2400 rupees. So what will be happen? Now the discount. So you have to know discount is given as 15% of what? It is 2400. So it is 15 upon 100 into 2400. So 0 will be cancelled out. Once 0 once again cancelled out. Now here 15 4 ja 60, that is 0, 6 carry, and 15 2 ja 30 and 6, that is the 36. So that is the discount. And now what would be the selling price? So let us see. Selling price. It will be mark price and minus discount. So selling price in short we can say SP, and as you know mark price is 2400 and discount is 360. Let us do the subtract this one. So what will be happen? We can subtracting here 2400 and here is 360. Here is 0 and here is 4 and 3 minus 3, that is 0, and it is the 2040. 2040, and that one is your answer. It is the selling price. So you have to write selling price. What is the question? What would be a customer have to pay for a fare? So pay by the customer, amount pay by the customer is equal to rupees 2040. So that will be your answer. Let us see what will be happen in the third question. Here is Mahi bought a pair of shoes from a sale on a discount rupees price of 20%. So it is a discount. He paid rupees 1200 for the shoes. What was the mark price of the shoes? So let mark price of shoes be rupees X. So it is given as discount. So you have to write here discount. It is given as 20% of X. डिस्काउंट हमेशा मार्क प्राइस पे ही मिलता है जो उस पर प्रिंटेड होता है. सो 20/1000 and it is X. So 0 will be cancel out. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10. So it will be X/5 rupees. So let us see the selling price. Selling price. So selling price, mark price is X and discount is X/5. So that is subtracted from the mark price. So selling price is given, as you know, where is it is the rupees 12,000. So SP is given as rupees 1200, not 1000. So it is 1200 is equal to, taking their LCM as a 1 here. So 5, so 5 1 ja 5, it is 5x and minus 1x. So 1200 is equal to, it is 4/5 of x. Let us see what will be happen here. So it is 4/5 x will be equal to 1200. So x will be equal to 1200 into 5/4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So x will be equal to 5 3 ja 15. So it is 1500 rupees. So mark price of shoe you can write here, mark price of the shoes equal to rupees 1500, and that is your answer. So let us see the next example. So Rajan bought a cooler of rupees, this one including sell tax. इसमें सेल टैक्स लगा हुआ है पहले से. फाइंड आउट द प्राइस ऑफ द कूलर बिफोर द सेल टैक्स वाज एडेड. सो लेट द कूलर प्राइस, let the cooler price be rupees X. Now sales tax, it is given as 8% of X. So what will be happen? It will be 8/100 of X. So 4 2 ja 8 and 4 25 ja. So it will be 2/25 of X. So it is sales tax. Now the total amount, it would be equal to the cooler price plus sale tax. So amount is given as rupees, this one, it is the 2700. So total amount you can say here, it is total amount which is given as rupees 2700. So it will be 2700 and cooler price, that is the X, and the sale tax, it is 2 upon 25 of X. Taking their LCM, it is 25, so it becomes 25 of X and plus 2 of X. Here is 2700. So it will becomes 2700 is equal to, it is the 27 upon 25x. So x will be equal to 27, ये 25 अपर पार्ट्स पे आ जाएगा और 27 डाउन पार्ट्स पे. So 27 1 27 and it is 100 times. So x will be equal to 2500. So you can write the, find out the price of the cooler before tax. So cooler price before tax. Cooler price before tax is equal to rupees 2500. So that one is your answer. I think you would be understand. आप लोग समझ गए होंगे. तो ये आज इतना ही क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा, ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं करा रहा हूँ और कुछ क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क के लिए दे रहा हूँ. सो इट इज़ योर होमवर्क, सो यू कैन डू एट होम. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मोहन सेव्स रुपीज 3950 आफ्टर spending 75% of this salary. What is his monthly salary? So you can do. Now in case in class 10th 60% are girls, their number is 18. So what is the ratio of the number of boys and the girls in the class? The third one is, an item marked at the rupees 950 was sold for rupees 760. Find out the discount and discount percent given. Now fourth, Lalita bought a motorcycle for rupees 9016 including 12% sale tax. What was the cost before adding the sale tax? And the question number 5, a floor mill cost rupees 1,30,000. The sale tax is taken as 7% on this. If Sweta buys this mill, find the price of the paid for it. So it is your homework, so you can do very well at the home. If you have some problem, so you can see my next video. तब तक के लिए RS प्रसाद सर इसको यहीं समाप्त करते हैं और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करने की कोशिश करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके, और इसको लाइक भी करेंगे, कमेंट्स भी करेंगे. आप लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं वीडियो बना करके भेजता रहूँगा. थैंक यू.